bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesiota. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power. This is African Power, my latest book, followed by Honey as a Medicine. This is Healing Power of Honey, and this is Solution to Woman Problems. In this African Power, Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú, many people are buying it and they are enjoying it. I told you about these rules. These rules can help you to reduce your sugar level. Yes, if a man, how to be a man to your wife, this is the rules. You have arthritis, you have rheumatism, this is the route for you. African Power book, many people are buying it. They are asking for part 2, and part 2 will be out by November ending, by the special grace of God. Today, I want to tell you why rich men or women, they later become poor. Why rich men or rich women, why is it that they later become poor? I will tell you today. Get seated. The program we are watching today is Kenny Show. Kenny Show. And my phone number is 0810-8431-336. It's on the screen. It's on the screen. Some people will be calling me, Baba, and give me your phone number. The phone number is on the screen. But we expect you to send WhatsApp messages only to this line. WhatsApp only. Send your message here. You can send your message, you can send your WhatsApp messages. We will reply you within 10 minutes. And all these books, you can get my books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Yes, just ask for my account number. But if you are in Lagos State, I have branch at Mushin, number 4 Alukola State Mushin. I have branch at Barika, number 36 Lajero Barika. At Surulere, I get a branch at number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Number 5, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele Surulere. At Oshodi, go to number 6 Everett Way. Number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia Oshodi. Or come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. When you are coming from Sango, enter Maruwa that is going to Yanayesi. Drop at Yanayesi, cross the road to the other side. Take a bike or enter Maruwa. Tell them you are going to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Adebisi, Yesiota. They will bring you to my office. If you are coming from Agbara or Ilaro, you are coming from Owode Diroko. Enter motor that is going to Ojore. Motor that is going to Ojore. Drop at Yanayesi. You don't need to cross again. Where place where you drop, you will see Maruwa and Okada. They carry you to my place. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. So the thing I want to teach you today, how and why rich men later become poor. I want to tell you, for example, this is the broom, Ìgbálẹ̀. Don't share your broom with anybody. Even when you want to park from one house to another, or you want to park from your house to, you want to park from a tenant house where you rent, you want to go to a new house that your husband built or you yourself built, don't leave your broom. And don't share your broom with people. Some people, when they borrow broom from you, they can remove 1 or 2 sticks. They can use it against you. They can use it against you. Don't share your broom with anybody. If anybody is fond of borrow in your environment, get the broom that you have never been used. The new broom you have not been using, you can borrow people that one. But the brooms you are using to sweep your room, that is bringing you money, don't share with people. Some people borrow, they like to borrow short. Don't allow them to share your luck with you. Don't borrow people short. If you get extra short, the pack you are not being using, you can give them. When they want to return, say, I give you, keep it. They will not come again to you to borrow again. Yes. Then the food, when you like to attend parties too much, I want to do the remembrance of my mother that died in 1948. You go there to eat. You can lose your glory through food. Be careful of what you are eating in your places. Some people, they get pastors, they get prophets, they get herbalists that are doing something for them. Immediately they are seeing money, they will abandon them. It's one of the reasons. Sometimes your imam will call you, pastor will call you. We have not been seeing you. I'm busy. I will call you later. Then you will see that some of the things are coming down. Yes, you have a prophet, you have herbalists, you have some people that are helping you spiritually. If you abandon them, they will not do anything against you, but you will not receive what you have been receiving before. Because every time people will be talking of herbalists, witches and wizards. You talk too much about witches and wizards. You are doing yourself most of the time. The person that gave you soup, you know how it works for you, but you refuse to go back to that person. Then you begin to go to another person that you don't know how effective that person is. It's one of the reasons. If you talk too much about your achievements, some people, when they buy a new car, they will put it on Facebook. This is my new car of 10 million, 50 million. When you eat food, you get belly full. In my village, they used to warn us, you will not talk outside. You will tell other people outside that you are just finished drinking garri. Because when you say you have money, in the presence of the person that they don't have, just by merely looking at you, they can spoil your progress with you. They can spoil your progress for you. They can. Witches and wizards, they don't need to use juju. Immediately they think bad of you. That bad thing will happen to the person. Yes, it's one of the things I want to share with you. Don't forget, don't share your bruise with people. Don't share. Salt, don't share your salt. If somebody want to borrow salt, give me a new sachet you have not been using. How can somebody say that? You want to borrow my own salt? Give me a sachet. Let the person keep it. You will be ashamed. He or she will be ashamed to borrow the next time. Don't forget to watch my new book, African Power Part 2, by November ending by the special grace of God. You will see the magic mirror. How you can call back the runaway wife or runaway husband. Then if you want to make court cases, if you are innocent, how to do about it is coming in another book, which is African Power Part 2. They have to get documents. You are suffering because you don't have papers. Suffering without documents. What you can do is coming in the new book. The price is double the amount of this one. Everybody, you know the price of this one. The new book is double the amount. The program today, please help me share among friends and relatives. The program today is Kenny Show. Don't forget to watch my other station, other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television, and my son station, my son channel, Mr. Lashborn Comedy, Adewusi. Mr. Lashborn Comedy, Adewusi. Don't forget to watch the other two stations, other two channels, Baba Oloyin Original Television channels, and Mr. Lashborn Comedy, Adewusi channels. Help me share and subscribe. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.